Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have Apple Pay and a verified Binance account. Now start the buy flow. Open Binance, tap Buy Crypto, then pick the fiat currency and enter the amount you want to spend. Choose Apple Pay when prompted. This links to wallet and uses your default card. Once done, Binance prepares the order summary showing price and fee. Make sure the fiat and network match your intent, because wrong choices mean delays or extra fees. Continue when the Apple Pay sheet appears on screen. Now focus on details that matter. Review the crypto asset, the rate, and the fee percentage. Binance shows total cost including fees. Make sure the correct network is selected. Mismatched networks can lock funds. Next, confirm your Apple Pay card and wallet is active and authorized by your bank. This prevents declines. When you tap Pay, Apple Pay will prompt Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. After you approve, Binance finalizes the transaction and creates the deposit. Finish by approving the Apple Pay payment, use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, then wait for Binance to confirm and credit your wallet. If the deposit is pending, check orders and wallet. Sometimes settlements take minutes. Make sure you don't repeatedly resubmit. Duplicate payments cause issues. If something goes wrong, first check your region support, card type, and daily limits, then update the Binance app and wallet. If declines persist, contact your bank and provide the Apple Pay transaction ID for fast resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.